Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to study physics class 12 only way. Start by focusing on understanding concepts, not memorizing formulas, and schedule short daily sessions. Break chapters into clear subtopics and solve representative problems after each concept. Use simple experiments or simulations to visualize fields and forces. Review mistakes immediately and track recurring errors in a notebook. Prioritize clarity over speed and keep consistent practice to build reliable intuition. In this video, I will help how to study physics class 12 only way. Focus practice on a balanced set, conceptual reasoning, numerical problems, and past exam questions. Start each session with quick revision of formulas and principles, then attempt varied problems for 45 to 90 minutes. After solving, review solutions and rework errors until you understand the step you missed. Incrementally increase difficulty and keep a steady log of progress. In this video, I will help how to study physics class 12 only way. Quick recommendation. I love the simple path to wealth as a practical read that nudges smart savings and calm focus while you study. It pairs well with disciplined routines and can free mental bandwidth for learning. If this helped, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to study physics class 12 only way. Rely on diagrams and stepwise sketches to reduce cognitive load and reveal hidden relationships. Practice derivations until they feel intuitive so you can adapt them to new problems. Explain topics aloud or teach a friend to expose unclear thinking and reinforce memory. Keep a concise formula sheet with derivation hints rather than rote lists to encourage deeper mastery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.